So guys, thank you once again, and thank you for joining us. So my name is Kelly, and my friend behind the camera here is Dante. Now we are still in the city of Prague. What you're looking at now is one of historical bridges in Prague. This bridge that you're looking at is called a Viton Bridge.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you.
So the bridge, as you can see, is actually a very old bridge, and has been in operation for about 120 years. So it's a very historical bridge. When the bridge was built in the beginning, it was just one track bridge. But after some time, it was increased to double track. So it's a very historical bridge, like I say. Like I said earlier, this very bridge is about 300 meters. It's quite long, crossing over to the other side of Prague, which is called Prague 5. There is a controversy surrounding this bridge because of its historical nature. The people of the Czech Republic do not want it to be demolished because there is a plan by the state to demolish the bridge. But the people do not want that because they believe it's a historical, should I say, architecture, which they very much revere. So for that reason, the citizens do not want it to be demolished. So the plan now is that, or should I say that the plan to either demolish the bridge in order to construct a new one just stalled now because the government doesn't know what to do. The people want the government to kind of extend this one to repair it, but the cost of repairing it is far more than constructing a new one. So for that reason, they just left it as it is for this moment. So this is another place that if you are in Prague, you may want to come and visit here to see it for yourself. If you look down there, actually, you can see, because it's a very nice view of Prague. What you are looking at over there is the Prague Castle, which is probably the biggest castle in the world. I don't know how it is described. It's really a very big castle. So if you come to Prague, you go there, you can actually see this place from there. Or if you happen to come here, you can go over there and see the Prague Castle. Thank you.